But why, some say, the moon? Why choose this as our goal? And they may well ask, why climb the highest mountain? Why, 35 years ago, fly the Atlantic? Why does Rice play Texas? We choose to go to the moon. We choose to go to the moon. We choose to go to the moon. But why, some say, the moon?
All right, everybody. We back in action. What's going on, everybody? What's up, Ernesto, KC, Mr. Rick? Boy. What do we have on our hands tonight, my friends? What do we have? Another solid, horrible red day. What's going on, Ernesto? There's a lot going on, my friend. We're going to break it all down. What's up, KC, Mr. Rick? Crypto profits so early. Yeah. Desperate times calls for desperate measures, my friend. Zoom on in. Look, got Bitcoin pulled up on the chart. See who else we got in here. Matt, help me. My tendies are gone. Where'd your tendies go, man? Make you a salad. Be good for the heart right now. What's up, Josh? My tendies have been gone. What's up, Vampire Kangaroo? How you doing, man? Good to see you. Invu, what's happening, man? We're supposed to be at the moon, not crashing at the earth. You're 100% correct, Ernesto. This is real shitty what's going on, man. I'll be completely honest with you. Thank you for that, Mr. Rick. Smash that like button, he's saying. What's up, Ben Cadillac? I saw you message, man. I forgot to respond to you last night. I'm glad you got your money off of KuCoin, my friend. What's up, Randy Waiting? Randy Waiting. What you waiting on, man? Are we at bottom for Bitcoin? 40,212? Could be. Might not be. We just got rejected right here off the 5-minute, 14-day moving average. Pretty much what we've been doing the whole way down. So I'm not seeing anything that's telling me right here that this is bottom yet, guys. That 40,212 is bottom. I'm not getting that confirmation. I know we shot back up pretty significantly from this crash, but it is what it is right now, guys. We'll try to do our best to break down the TA for this stuff, go over some news articles, give y'all information why we think the market is falling on its face for the past 2 days. What's up, Jason Gregory? We have a terrible mess on our hands, my friend. Terrible, terrible. And on this way back this spring, treat it like a ball. You smash that ball on the ground, it's going to bounce up. It ain't bouncing that high. It's like a beanie ball right here. It's not getting that full bounce, not getting over these tops right here. Very concerning right now. I'm going to just be 100% honest with you. The whales and the shorts are in control right now. We're in some bearish territory. Ada Blue too. Let's see what she's doing. Yeah, Ada hit 197 earlier, right back here. So almost best case scenario, double bottom right here. That shows you right there. I'm gonna pop that line. You got really strong support for Ada. A break under that, I would hold on to your seatbelts, guys. Things could get really ugly. RIP Doge. Doge is at 20 cents. It's hanging tight. S&P 500, I could about imagine it took a beating today, man. No. Whoa. Whoa. Wow. Let's take a peek back here. So you can see every now and then we have these harsh pullbacks. Oh, well, I was trying to show you. I mean, look, this is a perfect instance pullback right here. So why they are healthy, we don't like to see them. So this dip from right here to right here, we got a lot of room to go if it's going to correct as hard as it did here, but hopefully it doesn't. SPY not looking good. Future is not looking good. Nothing is looking good right now, my friends. Double bottom across the board. Everything's following Bitcoin right now. My tendies went everywhere else but the moon. I hear you, man. Look, it's fucking frustrating, dude. It really is, man. And I'm pissed off about this situation. All you can really do is sit here, ride it out. If you want to hop out, I mean, it's decision is 100% up to you. There's no telling where this thing could stop. Whether this is the double bottom that will kind of take off from here. It's so hard to judge it right now. We don't have any news. I mean, Bitcoin hit a high of 52K. Doge was back at 35, and we just fell on our face from this point on. I do think it's going to start heading back up pretty shortly. They're not going to continue just to flash crash the market day after day after day. I don't see them doing that. They're going to run everybody and their mom away from crypto, and they're not getting my crypto personally. I'm holding through this. Like I said, you're sitting around 20 cents right now on Doge. So if you're holding Doge mainly, you have a lot more upside than the downside right here. To me, you're not going back to 5 cents. I don't see that happening. You got way strong support at 20 cents right here. Even 1989, whatever you want to call it. I'm calling it 20 cents. You're sitting on a major, like, biggest level of support you got. Next would be 16 cents for me. You'll hit traffic at 18 and probably even numbers down. But you could be possibly looking at another 16 cent Doge. That would be the worst case scenario I see coming up before we start to head back up. If you're willing to sit through that and you can train yourself to be like, hey, I'm mentally prepared. It's going to 16. That's how I'm treating it right now. I'm treating Bitcoin like it's going back somewhere around 36. Because we're not seeing no relief in sight, guys. As soon as we start getting back, we can't break tops from where we were trying to break out of this trend. And we just fall out. We come back up, fall out, can't even get over this top. almost get there and just completely fall out. So the bears are in control right now. This is a brief glimpse of what a bear market looks like, and it sucks right now. It really, really sucks, guys. And I feel out for everybody. This month, September, has been a pain in the ass, and it's just beating everybody up right now. This dip gave me a $123 haircut today. Yeah, from the charts, Randy, I was kind of thinking Bitcoin would hit a low around 36, man. I'll break that down here in a few minutes, though. Yeah, RW, it sucks, man. Hope you're not feeling sick, really, man. Just this is what crypto does, man. It takes massive dumps, and it can run up just as fast, man. XRP, dude. XRP is just, my jaw was on the floor, dude. 89 cents. It's approaching 88 cents for XRP. That's just mind blowing. Like, I don't get it, man. I don't get what these whales and these shorts are doing right now. They're making money, but at what expense? Out of all the retail investors? It's a sad thing, man. Can't afford. I hear you, dude, and I'm holding too, man. I'm definitely not selling for a hit like this. From where we were to where we're at now, it ain't gonna happen, man. Josh, Bitcoin's the Mac Daddy, man. It was the start of it all. All coins tend to follow Bitcoin, man. It's got the biggest market cap, and the whales can control the market with controlling Bitcoin. Kind of like, why does GameStop, AMC follow each other? XRP goes to 10. Jason Gregory buying the dip, dude. That's what's up, man. That's just kind of what I'm seeing on the charts, Ernesto. I'm preparing myself for the worst case scenario with Bitcoin. I'll show you what I'm seeing right here. Let's get to the 4-hour chart on Bitcoin. I mean, look at this. Once again, the second night in a row, the RSI is sitting at 15. It was at 11 last night. You have some really strong support at 40. I mean, you came really, really close to testing that. Really, really close. Other than that, you have this section right here. And you have this bottom section. And that's sitting right around 37. So anywhere between, I would have to say 36.5 and 38.5 would be somewhere where I think this thing is going to eventually go if we don't hit bottom right here at 40K. That is the best case scenario I'm looking at in the charts right here. After this right here, there's not much holding it up to bring us back to 36, 34. We're coming up very, very close to having to hold this level right here. If it doesn't hold somewhere between this channel, it's going to get ugly fast, guys. And look, I do think when this does go to, if it does break below it, it's going to happen pretty quick. I mean, you've seen this. It broke super fast, consolidated, came back up, broke even harder down. We might see some consolidation. And if you see another break toward the bottom, you're probably heading to 35K. If this trend continues, what it's doing day after day right here, you're going to be looking at 35K possibly tomorrow into Wednesday. If this trend can consolidate right here and break to the upside, we'll be right back on track. That would be the best, absolute best case scenario right here. And I'm going off this bottom at 28, 29 right here to pop a line to where it could bounce right there. And man, what degree of that angle is it going to be? Nobody knows. So keep your eyes peeled. Sleep with one eye open, like Rick says. Just be aware the market could possibly dip quite a bit more. I do think it's going to come back strong. It's just the sitting in the red that's the psychological part for everybody. I understand it's super, super tough, but it's just part of being in the crypto space and trading any security. You know, it's great when you're in the green, but what do you do in the red that counts? You know, if you're buying and you're holding, hats off to you. I think that's the best strategy you can get. Maybe necessarily don't worry about how low it goes. Just try to capitalize on that lowest point if you can, and add some more to your portfolio, because it will be back. Crypto will be back. It sucks that this is happening. 10% loss after 10% loss. Doge is down 35% the past month. You know, it shit sucks. Dude, like, you know, I'm not a hype man over here, but I'm still expecting one last run for the rest of the year. I'm expecting it to be a lot higher, and this shit is calling me a liar right here, and I'm not happy with the crypto markets and the whales and everybody out there. I'm not on here just to make some money from y'all. I really want everybody to make money, and for right now, you've seen what happened the last 3 months, guys. We sat here and we bought the dips, came on every freaking night when all these YouTubers were out here just stopped streaming. We kept coming on, reporting the news to you, giving you updates, talk about ADA smart contracts for 3 freaking months through the red, and it did run up to $3. I don't think it's done yet. I think it's gonna have to go a little more south before it can head back up above $3, and that's the bottom line. I think that's what we're working with right here. So just hang on to your seats, guys. If you're still holding your crypto, I feel for you. I'm holding too. You're not alone in this situation. To sell right now, for me, I'm not doing it. And we got really strong support at 16 cents. You got way more upside going back up than you do to the downside. I don't think we're going to 16, under 16. I really don't. I'd be super, super surprised if we do. Like, you just have to hold true to your conviction. If you want to add on these dips, you can do it. If you just say, fuck crypto, I'm out, I don't want nothing to do with it no more, I completely understand that too. But Bitcoin's going to be a lot higher this year. We'll see it play out. I'm just sorry to hear everybody sitting in the red. People are feeling sick. This is what crypto does. It goes up, it goes down, and the moves are pretty super violent. And you're seeing this right here. Let me catch back up with the chat. Give me a few seconds. I had to get that out because it's very important what's going on here. We're losing 10% every day. Like, you know, people are watching their investments just dwindle away. And, you know, it sucks, guys. It really, really sucks. It really does. Oh, Lord. I went on a big rant. I got to catch up with the chat, guys. I'm sorry. XRP is the only thing I'm on, but only by a few bucks. Dude, XRP, the news is coming, man. It's coming. I don't know when the fuck it's coming, but when it comes out, XRP is going to do its thing, man. And man, it's just 130, you know, was that technical breakout and all this crap happened. I'm still a big believer in XRP, man, even at 89 cents. And I do have some tough skin. I'm sitting here, man. I just don't want to lead all y'all to the water to drink too. I'm holding this thing out, man. That's what I'm doing. And I'll be here reporting it. So if you guys are with me, I'll be here. Casey saying may have to load up sometime tomorrow just to see if we're at bottom. It's always good to have some fiat on the side right now. Definitely right now. As I do think we're getting close, guys. I really do. I'm sorry for the cursing, guys. I'm really pissed off at the crypto space right now. I'm pissed off at the stock market, and I'm pissed off at China for just all this negativity and FUD that's just bringing everybody in the red right now. Best thing to affect the long call would be a delta. Is the theta, man, Josh. That's how much you lose day after day on your options, man. I was very sick and sad this morning. I was incredibly discouraged, but when I started hanging to hope, if it dips back to 16, I can average down quite well and increase those tendies on the rise up. That's my thought process. Jason, we talked about it for 3 months on this channel, dude, when everybody else disappeared. and I'll continue preaching it because I think we have one more great push this year. And when that happens, I'm going to capitalize and I'm going to be out for a little while. I'm going to let the market settle back down because after every bull cycle, crypto loses 85% of its value. It's happened every time. I don't expect it to change now. That's fully what I'm expecting. I'm looking to sell at the peak of this bull cycle, which I think is going to be higher than 64K for Bitcoin. What up, Crypto Prophet? Must have some thick skin in the game. I do, man. You have to. It is RW. It is tough out there right now, my man. Bitcoin meetup? You liar, you told me crypto. Oh. What's up, Bitcoin meetup? How you doing, man? I see you new to the stream, man. If you can't hit that sub button for me. The whole market is going down with everything, and crypto follows the market in these downtrends, somewhat, I think. Yeah, I mean, we had that big company from China that actually defaulted on a bunch of real estate. It was like 500 billion, don't quote me. It was quite significant. It is affecting the markets. That's part of the reason why you're seeing everything in the red right now. Just think, when Doge is at 93, all of us had bought the dip. Yeah, you're right, man. Yo, 81L Dorado. What's up, man? If you're freaking out, you're having too much yup. Yup. I'd have to say that's Bulldog Trading, if I had to guess. Yep, I am too, Zach. I am pissed off with what's going on right here, man. Let me get back to the 5-minute chart so we have some action going on the screen, man. So it looks like Bitcoin's trying to, is getting over on the 5-minute chart, that 14-day moving average. Might have to work our way back to the 50. It was doing that last night and kept getting rejected and smashing down, and then we would dip even further. So I'm still not convinced. I want to see a clear break over this. This level of resistance at 43,345 now. We gotta climb our ass all the way back up the mountain. It can happen pretty quick, guys, but I think it's gonna be a slow climb back up into October. What's up, One Shot? How you doing, man? Good to see you, my brother. Crypto's always going to be back, man. He'll be back. It's just, man, we're taking a beating right now, guys. Ben Cadillac saying China's going to be China. All we can do is protect what we have and take the buying opportunity. That's what we're getting here, man. I mean, the last 3 months, buying opportunity, buying opportunity. You know, we had some at point to take 10s right here, and you know, I'm kind of a hodler, man. I'm holding it. I'm waiting for this last run. We could have took 10s on 8 at 3. I didn't. It'll be back though. Streamlabs capping you, bro. What's up, Thomas Harris? Calling it out like you see it, dude. Fire sale, man. Randy Waiting. I've seen indications of Dow dump around October 1st. Keep an eye on it. Today was nothing. What indications are you seeing about the Dow, man? The S&P is what really got me, man. That thing is looking... wow. That's a big pullback for the S&P, my dude. Like that is a pretty big. That's a pretty big pullback. Best case scenario, we're off from this point on. Hopefully that's the bottom. You got strong support at 421. Let me see this. Give me a second. Let me zoom back out. That's a tough pullback, man. I haven't seen a pullback that significant on the S&P in a long time, man. I hope it's done with. I mean, the S&P does tend to pull back. I mean, this was a pretty significant pullback. That was also... This was back in 2015. This was back in 18. This is back in 20. This was COVID. This was COVID right here. So that's why that was so significant. Is what it is, man. All the futures are down. Everything is looking pretty bloody right now, guys. Let me pull back up 8 on the chart. See where we're at. 202. Still on a harsh downtrend, guys. But we still are respecting those levels of support resistance right here. We're just not holding them. One Shot says I'm big on these dips, fellas, loading up the effing boat. But most of those coins, yeah, if you hold long term, man, you're sitting fine, my dude. You're sitting fine. Then Cadillac says, yeah, I'm glad I waited to get in the vet. I learned about it a couple weeks back, 11.12, waited it out, and got in at 0.9 cents. That's how it goes, dude. So we got ADA sitting at 202, down 6.41% today. Dogecoin down 8.32%, sitting at 2034. Bitcoin down 8%. That's a big deal for Bitcoin. That's a lot. And we got XRP down 12%, really getting knocked down. Litecoin down 7.3%. Crypto Zach saying I'm extremely worried, man. I wouldn't be. I mean, if you're losing sleep over this and you have more money invested in it, I would look to really consider what you're doing here. Like possibly looking to maybe sell some to average down with if you don't have no side cash to, or look to step away right now if you don't think this is bottom. I can't tell you if this is bottom or not. I can tell you right here off the charts we're hitting a bit of a double bottom off that 197, and if we go for a retest of 197 and we get a break, we're gonna go a little bit lower, guys. Let's see what we got. After 197, your next major level on ADA is 189. So, you know, another 8 cents right there, 7 cents, something like that. You got to drop. So then after that, it's 182, and I'd have to go 177. We still got a lot of support to go across, but I don't see it going back. It's just so hard to judge right now, guys. It really is. If this trend continues and we keep getting smacked down, there's no telling how low the market could actually go before we actually take off again. So that's a good thought, Josh. Could be less of a bear market and more of a hiccup due to a sudden cut in cash flow due to over-leveraged Chinese companies. Very possible, man. That's part of the FUD too in itself, man. It's a good point, Josh. What does it mean when the country who holds most of your country's debt defaults on its own payments? I went all in on Safe Moon. That's why you're concerned. Dude, look at this RSI, man, on Doge. That's on the 4 hour. It's sitting at 15. 15 on the RSI, dude. That is right back to where we were last night. So Rick says, like, one shot, loaded up the money gun, ready to load up the boat when ready. So, Rick, you just kind of sitting on the sidelines right now, huh? If you are, man, I don't blame you. If you're looking for a place to pull the shot at, it's not a bad idea right now, my friend. And just like that, Doge is 2022. Ben Cadillac says it's all pretend money anyhow. USA China. It's like sports team. It does well when the confidence is high and can overperform. Yep, that's all crypto really is. Any security you buy and sell, it's supply and demand, man. It's just what people have for sale, what a buyer is willing to pay for it. You know, that's all crypto is. And right now, the bears are in control. There's not a lot of volume. There's not a lot of people buying Dogecoin. There's not a lot of people buying XRP, ADA. A lot of people are selling it. A lot of people are panic selling. I mean, people go red a couple $100 and they're out. They're done with. They'll try to buy back in at bottom and they'll get wrecked. You know, it just, the sentiment's not there right now, guys. I have a loaded firing powder at Doge in the past 2 days. And it will be back, Jason. It will, man. I typically like to load the boat every week when I get paid. Everybody's situation is different. That's why we kind of preach the Coinbase debit card over here. Just for everybody. You know, who doesn't want 4% back? And, you know, right now that 4% ain't looking like 4%. But it will be back, guys. What's up, Jonathan K? I'm stuck riding the ride long term. Where you in at, man? If you don't mind me asking. I don't want to get into really uncomfortable territory, but just look at ADA. It was $1 in July, and we were worried about a dip and blow too. That's a good point, man. We kind of touched on that last night, and that's 100% true, my friend. It's just depressing, you know, because you could have been sitting on tendies a lot higher, and if you held out for ADA smart contracts, like we thought were going to be very, very good for crypto, which I still believe in it. Just no one saw this crash coming. You know, ADA contracts were coming out. Bitcoin was above 52. Ethereum was touching 4K. Like, the market was soaring, man. And it's just surprise, surprise. The whales show up, and don't tell nobody they're here. Don't touch Bitcoin mining stocks. No. You want to make some money? Go put some puts on them. If Bitcoin stays around this level, go put some puts first thing in the morning. You'll make some pretty good money. When in doubt, Ben Cadillac says zoom out. You're 100% correct, man. I'm just aggravated because I've been preaching dips for the longest time, man, and we're right back in this territory. And I know it's the game, man. I know that's the game, and it's just aggravating to, you know, sit here and say, "Hey, I believe XRP is a good play," and then the market flash crashes. You know, crypto's very volatile. That's part of your investment with it. It can move up or down very, very quickly. And sad to say, we're moving to the downside right now. And there's no reversal, as I can see on the charts right now. That's why I'm not convinced this is bottom yet, guys. So hey, Matt, here's a good low cap coin play. H bar coin for the average person to get into. Everybody, please go check out H bar. Let me see what you got, man. H bar crypto. And that's hash graph 31 cents. Yeah, it took a down 18% today. Looking like the rest of crypto right now. I didn't even look at Avalanche one shot. I don't know where it's sitting at right now. Jonathan K says, I'm still up on Algo and ADA and even a few others, even on Doge now, losing on a few. Well, I'm happy he's still up on some stuff, man. It's always good to hear. Yep, I'm realizing in the last 6 months I should probably sell my Ethereum at 4K because I saw it touch there twice and dip heavily. It's a much learning opportunity as a buying opportunity. Yeah, and you know, I saw ADA stall at 3, and we had a couple retests and we just never got back. I was expecting a pullback, not the $2 though. You know, I was thinking we would settle around 240 to 230 range and trade sideways. Now we went even further than what I was thinking, but nonetheless, I'm holding it out, man. Yeah, you do that, Zach. Be careful, man. Guys, I'm going to go refill my cup. I'll be right back, and then we'll touch base on some news articles I got pulled up for y'all. But right now, 90 cents on XRP. How much lower will we go? Is this the bottom? Let's see if we can start breaking over at least 2089 right here. Getting above this 50-day and see how we handle that 200-day moving average. So when you're looking at the charts, you're going to want to see this back on the way back up. You want to break above the 50, break above the 200, and possibly a good little hard run back to 21 cents would be pretty much a sign of a bullish reversal for me. That's typically what happened the last couple times. So I'm just waiting on this reversal of this trend. And once we get that, I'll, of course, shoot everybody a message in the Discord. But not quite seeing it right quite yet, guys. I'm hoping we're getting close. But let me go grab something to drink real quick because I forgot to before I sat down. And I'll be right back, guys. Give me a few minutes. All right, guys. Sorry about that. Got caught up with something real quick. What's up, Win Moon? How you doing, man? Good to see you in the chat, dude. AVAX is sitting at a cool $56. Well, that's some hope for me. I didn't even look at it today, man. I'm just letting that thing ride, and I'm just holding on to it, man. Pretty nice to see some what looks to be a couple 5-minute green candles coming in. So finally got Bitcoin back to 42. So me stepping away for a few minutes might have helped it out a little bit. Dogecoin going to the moon via SpaceX rocket. You're 100% correct, my friend. BitBoy just did a quick 3-minute video. He said he believes that this is the last shakeout we will have. They're trying to run out retail investors before a big start of pumping. Man, it's possible, dude. Last little fake out, you know, let it run to 52, shake the market, get the retail out, then we'll let it roll, you know. It's definitely something I was thinking about back in my mind, dude. It's very hard to call these things, you know, unless you're up there trading with the whales, and that's a very real possibility you're seeing right now. Just shaking the complete market again. Might possibly double bottom at 16 before they absolutely let it take off. That would put Bitcoin possibly somewhere around 30K, which, you know, if this continues, is very possible, guys. Very, very possible. I just set a 212 limit transfer for ADA to USDT overnight. Once it's in USDT, planning on to set a 6 cent buy on VET. Yeah, if you get 6 cents on a VET, you're taking a chance hopping out of ADA like that. But it could pan out really well for you, man. I hope it does. You know, no telling how much lower ADA will go. If this was the bottom here, nobody really knows, you know. Yep, you're 100% right, One Shot. It's still holding strong. He's saying AVAX was at 68 this morning, then it hit 52 and sitting at 55, 56 now. That's really not terrible. But look, we're getting some green pumping in right here on the Dogecoin. The retest of the 50-day moving average, let me go ahead and zoom in, is going to be a real tall tale sign. We got the RSI starting to heat back up on the 5-minute, getting it back to 52. Man, it was at 22. So retest of this 50-day might be pending right here. A bounce over 2080 would be a pretty good sign right now. That would be a great sign for me. 14-day is at 2078, so be looking for that on the right side of the screen off the 2 Doge. I need to correct the charts right there, get that taken care of. But let's see this retest right here, 2078. See what we get, guys. 2075. A rejection here would not be the end of the world, but it won't be the greatest thing. I want to see some buying action. Signify we got some pressure on the buying side of everything right now. Ernesto said, "I think BitBoy as well. I think he has some significant Bitcoin, man. I wouldn't rule that out." That's not a bad idea, Ben Cadillac. He says, "I think the way this week is, I'll let it sit in USDT for a day or two." It's not a bad choice right there, man. You can still hold your money away from the market and not get capital gains put against you, man. One Shot GT, dude, coming in super hot. Thank you very much. Dropping 2, not 1, but 2 super stickers. 2 $10 super stickers. Thank you very much, One Shot. You were the man, my friend. So Ben, you saying Whoa, that's funny. That just popped up on my screen. So Ben, you saying you still got a bunch of ADA? You just trying to look to swing some to vet if it gets as low as 6 cents. That's actually not a bad thing, dude. I'm all for that, man. If you see 6 cents on vet, you could possibly, 100% your money right there, man, pretty quickly. And as you can see right here, 2075 green right here on this candle. We'll pump it up pretty good. Set us up for a retest of 2080. One Shot GT coming in with another $3 super sticker. Thank you very much for that, One Shot. Thank you very much, my friend. One Shot calling. Let's go, Bitcoin. Get your act together, man. 42.4. It's climbing back up. It's a good sign. 2080 for Doge. We get over that. That's a good sign. This is a pretty significant level right here, guys. Looks like she's trying. She's trying to get over this level right here. 2078. We're touching it right now. That's the 50-day moving average. 2079. Let's keep climbing, baby. Let's get it. I'm not going to throw on JFK, but 2080 is a very hot moment for us. That big green candle's on Doge, my friend. 2076, catching some traffic right here at 2080 level right here. I got you, Ben Cadillac. That is not a bad trading strategy right there, my friend. Not bad at all, dude. Robert Dean, we got 13 likes. What's up, Robert Dean? Yeah, guys, if y'all can, let's get that like count up to 30, man. That is great for my streams. I greatly appreciate it, guys. If y'all could take a second out your time to go hit that like button for me. Never mind, you just answered my question. Dude, One Shot showing that love, dude. Thank you very much, One Shot, for another $5 super sticker, dude. Y'all know I'm a sucker for them super stickers, man. Thank you very much, One Shot GT. We got Doge pumping 2079. Let's keep it going, guys. Let's keep the action going. Jonathan K says, ADA moving up. Want to see how high it goes. Maybe just pull my profits out and hold on to buy something else. Yeah, I mean, dude, if you've been rocking with me for a while, we've been talking about ADA since it was below a buck, man. Hopefully you capitalized on that situation and you're sitting pretty green, man. 2080 right here. Very, very big level. We need to get over this. Next would be 2089. And then the ultimate retest of 21 cents right there. Getting some volume stepping in, though. That's a good thing. XRP 91 cents, Bitcoin 42.4, Litecoin 158, man. That's really beat down. We saw it 180 the other night. What's she gonna do? 2080 seems stuck. I don't know if it's stalling out or what, but come on, little Doji. Mr. Ben Cadillac coming in hot with a good job. Super sticker, dude. Thank you very much for that super sticker. Greatly appreciate it, man. Love seeing that little dude dancing on the screen, man. Thank you for supporting the community, man. 2082. We starting to get some movement. Are we going for 28.9 right here? Let's see what happens. What's up, Alex? Very, very nice to see a little bit of green. Yep, looks like we're going back for that 2089. We get over that possible 21-cent retest right here, guys. Come on, Doge. Don't stall out. Yep, good to see all y'all in the chat. Y'all still hanging tight, even with crypto doing the dirty right here. But we're starting to get some green action. We got above 2090. Actually, 2089 was that level. Let's see what happens here. Ultimate retest of 21 cents incoming, guys. Incoming. Let's get some green pumping in. Tired of seeing red. Let's go 21 cents. Never been so freaking excited for a 21-cent retest right here. OMG. If we get to 21, 22, I'll feel a little bit more comfortable. I will too, my friend. 21-cent retest. I didn't see it yet. 2101. Let's get it, baby. Let's get above that 50-day. We might get rejected this 200-day. I'm sorry. Getting excited over here for a 21-cent retest, man. Holy crap. 21, that's a pretty decent level of support we had, man. So let's get back over that. I'll take that tonight. If we do anything tonight, get over this 200-day moving average at 2112. And that would signify that we're starting to reverse, but we also have that 2150 test coming up after that if we can continue to hold this. But getting some good green candles pumping in on Doge right now. How about 43K? Yeah, I'll take it too. Let's get the whole market back on track. XRP creeping 94 cents. We just saw it almost hit 88 on the stream. Litecoin creeping up to 160. Getting some green pumping back into the market. Yeah, quick, get another drink. See what happens here, guys. 21 cents. Only puts us down 5% on a day. Not as bad as what we were sitting. Let's continue this. Oh, cool. Secret Fish said last night bears were going to try to push Bitcoin to 40. I've always said if you see them, listen. They pushed it to 40. 29.7. Let's hope we just reload this next 5-minute candle to get a break right here. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 green candles in a row. Will we get a lucky number 7? Break above 21 cents. That 212 was way too low. If y'all staring at the charts too hard, y'all want JFK? See if JFK can pump us over. Oh, it already triggered. What's 8 at? Hold on. $211, dude. Dang. Let's check out some JFK.
But some say the moon. Why choose this as our goal? And they may well ask, why climb the highest mountain? Why 35 years ago fly the Atlantic? Why does Rice play Texas? We choose to go to the moon. We choose to go to the moon. We choose to go to the moon. But why, some say, the moon? Why?
Yes, I was talking. I was talking a lot. Completely no idea where I left off either. But it's all good. I was getting a little too excited about the 21 retest over here. But after the day we had today and the past day yesterday, I feel happy getting excited for a 21-cent retest, guys. So 2094, let's check out across the market. I didn't even look at Ethereum today. I've been just keeping track of the other cryptos. Under $3 grand. Sad to see that, man. If we are working our way back up, that $3 grand level is going to be pretty significant. 3,045 is where a 200-day moving average is. Don't be surprised if we get a retest of this 50-day. But the RSI is heating up. You're getting that 14-day moving average hooking. I'm pretty sure it's the same across the board. Let's check out ADA. Might be close to bottom here, guys. I'm still not getting the confirmation. 5 minute on ADA. ADA's looking pretty dang good right here, guys. We're above the 200-day. And if you remember on Doge, we couldn't get over that 200-day moving average at 21.12. ADA is creeping above it. So that's very, very good sign for ADA right here. Already back to 212, only down 2% on the day. That's pretty significant, guys, to see ADA actually doing fairly decent throughout all this shit. So very good to see for ADA. XRP, man. Wow, it's just... Let's check it out. XRP above the 200-day moving average, big green candle all the way back up to 94. Currently sitting at 93, looking for a retest at 200-day moving average. Let's get back over to Doge and see where she's at, 2094. So what will probably end up happening, we'll probably get that retest of 2080. or 289. That was the next next level after 280. So we might end up getting that retest if we don't come off this. If this is green, we could pop straight through. So let's see what happens here. Every night, crypto profit. I take a during the JFK thing. I take a sip of water and kind of, chill out for a second. And I usually mute my mic for that. Need to put a sticker on my thing. Unmute your damn mic after JFK. So what's it gonna do? Is the RSI gonna cool it off? I'm expecting a little pop here. I'm hoping we get above 2111 now, where it's sitting at. It's good that we went over this 50-day moving average. We did get rejected here. That's why it's very important, guys, when you swing trading and doing all this trading, set your 14-day, your 50, and your 200, and use your RSI. Your RSI is heating up, and you can see when the RSI starts to heat up, you have your 14-day moving average hooking with that RSI. That's signifying you could be about to have a little breakout right here. I'm not saying it will, especially being the way crypto is right now, but it's signifying a little bit bullish momentum within this bearish track right here. Mass Market has 1.6K subs. Mass Market his goal is 5K. If anyone is new to the stream, smash the subscribe button. Join the family. Journey of 5K. Thank you very much, man. I don't even know where we're at right now. Currently sitting at 1607 on the subscriber count. So thank y'all. Thank y'all very much. It's a long journey for all this, man. Let me pop that Discord in there for anybody that's not in. $289, 2089 retest coming, looks like, guys. $289, here we go. Be a pretty good level to hold right here. Yeah, I'll get there, Robert Dean. All in good time, my friend. Realistically, I've only been on YouTube for right around 5 months now, so not doing terrible. I think we got one of the greatest communities around, to be honest with y'all. Us and a few others. I mean, look, we got 20 people in these live streams, and I'm pulling more super chats than Matt Wallace, so it's that says something about our little community we got here, man. Y'all guys are great. I look forward to just hopping on every night, talking some crypto with y'all, and that's why I get so pissed off when crypto does this stuff right here, because I don't like my people losing money. So as of right now, 42,498 down 6% on the day for Bitcoin. 93 XRP down 9.25%. Litecoin 159 down 4.5%, and Dogecoin down 5.94%. So in the gist of things, guys, we came from down 10%. XRP was down 12, 13%. Just within the time we've been on the stream, we're starting to climb back up. So if we can start breaking over some of these tops and really ultimately get back to that 2151 for the short term, that would signify a reversal for me. So like if I'm looking to purchase in, I'm looking for a clear break over 2151 right here. That top right there would signify a pretty good bullish momentum heading back in and could start a trend to the upside again. So that's currently what I'm looking for. Like if I'm looking to add some more Doge, for the short term. That's going to change if we continue to go down. Of course, I'll keep everybody updated. But as of right now, 21.51 is the level I'm looking to break before I signify like, hey, we might have a little run right here, possibly 23, 24 cents. Back to where we were before this flash crash. Let's hope we can get there, guys. Let's hope it happens this weekend. Let's hope we have a good weekend. We need it, man. We really do. These past 2 days have been tough, like really, really tough. M. Wallace is a scammer from Alabama. I don't know. The only thing I don't like about some people is like they hype it up. They'll be like Dogecoin is flash crashing coming, and then next day Doge is going to $10. You know, it's just, I don't know. I'm not clickbaity, man. I'll give it to you real. If you don't like it, is what it is, man. $29.1. Let's hope this candle turns out green. Break through that 200-day moving average, guys. If we see that, that'd be a pretty good sign. And ultimate retest of 21.51 after that. I got that level set at 21.43, so I wasn't too far off. I'm gonna go ahead and move that up to 2153 or 2151. I'm sorry. So I wasn't that far off on that level. I'd popped that a while back, so that was good to see it held. So guys, in the chat, man, let me know what y'all thoughts are. Most of y'all have y'all money on the side waiting to buy a dip. What y'all thinking right here? Jason, I hear you, brother. 29.6. We're gonna get that 21 cent retest right here. $42.6 on the Bitcoin. Let's see what happens. It's just moving so slow. I'd like to see some better price action. Let's go to 3 minute right here. So as you can see, really trying hard to get over that 200-day moving average. A break above that would run you quite possibly 21.25, somewhere within that range. 21.28 looking like. But look at that on the 3 minute. Look at that RSI heated up. That 14-day moving average crossed that 50-day. Looking like it wants to go and cross this 200 days. So we might actually end up getting this break here in the next couple of candles, guys. So I'm gonna sit tight for a few more minutes. When it goes to 16, pull the trigger on a fire. I got you, man. If it gets that low, hopefully we hit bottom, man. That'd be best case scenario. We hit bottom. Getting that retest, 21 cents right here. And that is where the 200-day moving average has moved down to, guys. 21.01. Big level right here. Big level. We break this, we could possibly shoot back up pretty quick to 21.28. Let's see what happens. $21.01. Let's get a break. Can we get the break finally? That 14-day moving average is hooking towards that 200-day. Will we get the volume right here? 21.02. Let's see what happens. Love the channel, Matt. Heard about you through Bulldog's channel, but I only hold crypto, not stocks. So hour or two I hear from you is super interesting. Thank you, man. I really appreciate it, dude. Nothing but love from over there, man. I woke up this morning to the text about the channel situation, man. I took straight to emailing people. That stuff ain't cool, man, what they do. 2099. This might be the candle we get the break, guys. Let's keep it green. Come on. So if this is a rejection candle, we'll wait for the full 3 minutes to confirm it. We should get a bounce off this 14-day moving average right here. Let's see what happens. I am holding probably 90%. Just moved a little bit of ADA to USDT. Try to steal some on VET. Hope that goes well for you, man. I think VET's a pretty solid buy around 9 cents where you got it, man. Give or take a few, you know. $28.9. Right back to that level we need to hold right here. What's up, new foe? Dropping the squirrel heart squirrel. What's up, D-Grade? How you doing, my brother? Trying to see this 21 retest right here and a break, man, because we could possibly run up to 21.28 pretty quick on Doge. Looks like this candle's trying to fight it out, man. It's trying to reverse right here. Yeah, guys, if y'all just hopped in, if y'all can hit that like button for me, I'd greatly appreciate it. 21.21. Let's go, baby. Get the clean break. Don't get me excited for no reason. There you go. Looks like I don't want to speak too soon. She's loading up, man. She is loading up. 21.28 if we get this break. That's where I think we're heading. Pretty quickly, too. We'll see what happens. 21.06, the high of that candle right here. 21.07 is pushing it. I do think we'll get the break here, guys. I do think we'll get it. It might not be this candle. It might be the next one. I do think we're about to get the break. You got that RSI still flying high. You got that 14-day creeping ever so closely to that 200-day. You might get the break pretty soon, guys. Let's see what happens. Just finished my workout back in the chat now. What's up, man? D-Grade, glad to see you don't work, man. I know it's a long day for you on the road, man. Hope you had a good day. Alex, that does call for a shot. We get the break right here. 21.28 could come very, very quickly. That's the next major level we'd have to get over. And then ultimately 21.51. Nufo, you see crypto bouncing back soon, man? I'm not seeing a reversal quite yet, dude, but it's looking pretty good right now for the short term. Right now, my major level for Doge is to get back above 21.51, and that would signify a little reversal for me. We're going to have some trouble getting over 21.51. Don't get me wrong. Even 21.15, I didn't quite see that earlier. 21.15 to 21.30. That's where we're going to end up landing right here off this candle. Off this one or the next. Let's see 21.13. 21.28 is going to be a pretty big level for us right here coming up. But it's good to see it starting to break that 200-day moving average. That is the 3-minute. Let's check the 5-minute chart. So it's still touching it on the 5-minute chart. That is at 21.10 on the 5 minute. So 21.10, let's leave it right here. You break 21.10, we will make a pretty decent move right here. What's up, S Hall? S Hall, I remember you calling some stuff out the other night, so you want to go ahead and post out what you were calling the other night? Don't fudge it either. I want to know the exact numbers you were talking about. Because I done forgot, my man. Good to see you, though, man. Thanks for tuning in. And, guys, if y'all just hopping in here, if y'all could, hit that like button for me. Please get to 30 likes. Make me super, super happy. So, still getting rejected off the 5 minute, 21.05. 21 is now, should be a level of support, guys, that we do need to hold. Hopefully, crypto is just going to start to gain overnight. Check the 3 minute. See, I'd feel better with a 5 minute open and close above that level of resistance to become support, but we'll see what happens. Poor one for me. Might have to do that, my friend. So 21.05 on Dogecoin, looking a little bit healthier, looking a little bit better. Bitcoin slowly creeping back up, 42,761. XRP 93, we saw it at 89, almost 88 beginning of the stream. Litecoin 160, we saw it at 158. So crypto is starting to make some pretty good moves. Let's hope we can continue this. 21 cents is a pretty major level we need to hold. Even psychologically, for a really short term, we need to hold this right here. I am too, Jason Gregory. I'm ready for my portfolio to head green, man. Keep it green. Dude, can't foresee, but I warn folks to have less risk and be patient for any bottom. I remember you were calling some pretty bearish numbers, man. That's what I was asking for. I can't remember the specific what we had talked about a while back, but you did call some bearish activity, man. And that's what we're seeing right now. So currently retesting this 200-day moving average, 2101. Let's keep it above 21 Doge. Things will be gravity until a debt cap passes. Yeah, I can agree with that, man. That is probably something else that's really affecting the markets, man. I think I'll put a lot of that material into the video tomorrow night, man. Because that is a big thing affecting the markets right now. Just currently sitting here patiently watching Dogecoin try to rise. Good to see Bitcoin coming back up. It was down a whopping 9% at one point. That's a big move for Bitcoin. Especially after the day we had yesterday. I'll take 5%. It's way better than 10%. But let's hope 2151 is my level to where I might purchase a little bit more Doge. If we can really break that level and have a good break to the upside, I'd be pretty confident we'd go on a little bit of a run here. What's up, El Snap? El Capitan. What's happening, dude? Watching this crypto dilemma we're in, man. Watching a pretty major level for Doge right here. 21 cents, man. Hey, remember El Snap? I was telling you about XRP. Check it out, man. Look where it's at. It went way up. Went to the moon, man. Now it's coming back. Kupasta. The imposter. Hey, is GP on the mic over there right now? It's probably where I'm gonna head after this. I'm just waiting to see if we're gonna hold 21. I know there's not a lot going on right now, guys. We talked about pretty much crypto falling on its face for the past 2 nights. For me to signify a reverse right here at 2150 range right here, have it on your mind. If I do see that, mass market will be purchasing some more Dogecoin right here. Trying to play a move to the upside. I'm still not totally convinced, but we did make it over this top area right here. So that is a good sign. As you can see, we came down from 21.59. We only came back to 21.30 before we got rejected again. Came back up, had a retest right here of 21.51. Hard reject right here. Hard reject. And now we're working our way back up. We made it over this top. Will the third time be the charm to get us back to some tinny towns for the short term, especially if you buy in these dips? But guys, I said at the beginning of the stream, I'm not selling right here because I think there's a lot more upside than downside to Doge, currently sitting at 20, 21 cents, even 19.80 where we actually hit. So I'm gonna hold it out. It does suck. It's psychological seeing your gains sitting in the red, but you know, it'll be back. It will. XRP is still locked and loaded. That news comes out, 93 cents is gonna be a damn good dip buy for XRP. Was hoping Doge would get a little bit deeper below my average. That's funny, man. Yeah, just hoping a little bit deeper. Why not? You're already down there. Might as well go a little bit lower. Hey, that's one of the best ways they'll snap. Be quite honest with you, dude. Just be a long-term hodler, dude, and buy the dips. Man, when all this is said and done, and you can time it perfectly and get out 1 year on a bull cycle, maybe 8 years down the road, dude, you be sitting tight, man. Average is 22 cents. Not a bad average, man. Not bad at all, my friend. I think at some point this year, and hopefully in the really short term, you'll be averaging up on the dips from where you're at, if you haven't already. Bitcoin is creeping up, guys. 42,869. It's making some moves. Crypto is heating back up after this little flash crash. I would call it tonight that we had. You know, it's honestly what I think it was. Again, just trying to scare people off. And someone did drop in the chat. Ernesto said that, you know, and I have been thinking that there was a possibility. It's always has to be in the back of your mind when you're trading crypto that people are trying to the whales are gonna try to shake the market one last time before they let it go. And you know, Good Boy is a very intelligent person. You know, so when he does speak about Bitcoin and crypto, I do listen. I hope he's right. I hope he is. I hope this is just one last fake out before we rip. Because right now, you know, a lot of retail, or if you're not holding and you're swing trading, you're trading on leverage, you know, you're concerned right now. But 212 on ADA, it's looking a little bit better. You might, that RSI is going to have to cool off here at some point. How low will it go? We might get a retest of the 200-day moving average, which is currently sitting at 210 right here. So let's see what happens. We could continue to go green if Bitcoin continues to climb back up, which it is. Might be seeing 43 here come shortly, guys. A break back above this level around 216 for ADA. Let's check out Doge. Once it hit $1, imagine how high it could go. Big new foe. What's up, Psycho Pearl? Yo, yo, yo. Another dip night, my dude. Ate up to 223 and 5% in the last hour. Josh, man, you want a cool stream to check out? We got a couple people to make sure you subscribe to. We got Bulldog Trading, very cool community. We also got Mr. Tim in the chat. I haven't seen him here in quite some time. Crypto Profit, Mr. Profit. We got Mr. Zach in here too, man. Very cool streams, man. Try to keep the community real tight, you know. All I hold on Doge is my 2,000 free ones averaged at 2 cents. Yeah, I'll be holding it too, that's all. 2 cents, you can't go wrong, my friend. Just bought $200 worth of XRP and $200 of Cosmos to the moon. Baby to the moon. Josh buying that XRP, dude. He's buying that XRP dip. Hey, just to let y'all know, XRP was down 12% at the beginning of the stream. It is now down 5.83%. So Doge right here at 20.95. While I'm rambling my freaking mouth, I'm watching it get a retest right here. But guys, don't fret. Next 5-minute candle will be a tall tail sign. If we hop right back above it, be almost like a little false break. See what happens here. I hear you, all. Hopefully it'll be all settled out soon, man. Bought XLM Doge and 8 of dips today. That's some pretty good dip buying material right there, my friend. My Doge on Robinhood is showing 20. Robinhood and Webull have a little bit 20 cents, like 20 flat, because it's 21 over here at Webull. I know Doge and Robinhood and Webull are a little bit different on the ticker symbols, but shouldn't be that significant. Even though sometimes I do see crypto.com has some like off the wall numbers, like it'll say like ADA's at 230. I'm like, ADA's at 215, dude. Like, what are y'all doing over here? So you can get those weird numbers across the ticker symbols, man. Usually Robinhood and Webull are pretty close together though. So this 5-minute candle reversing, that's why you don't freak out for this level of support at 21. So you signify a break, which is open and close above a 5-minute candle above a support or resistance line. So let's see what happens here in the next couple 5-minute candles. Continue to grow. We did have quite a bit right here. A lot of volume stepping back in, so that's a good sign. You got the 200-day and 14-day moving average converging right here. Will we get the break? The RSI is still super hot. We get the break, consolidate, hang above the top end of this 200-day moving average. That'd be the best case scenario. I could probably sleep a little bit better. See where we end up in the morning, guys. Yep, they sure did, Jonathan K. But like L Snap just said, we got it all sorted out, man. That's all. Stay close to the exit as the entrance. Don't ever wander too far into the crypto building, my friends. You never know when you're going to have to jump ship. You never know. So 2107 right here. I can dig it. 42851. So give us some time, guys. I think hopefully the rest of the night should be pretty decent. I think you ultimately what it's looking to do, you're going to hit some traffic around 2130 to 2151. If we do get the retest tonight, I hope we wake up to above 2151. That'd signify a break for me. I'd feel a lot comfortable heading into the rest of the week, possibly the weekend. See where that gets us. Nah, dude. Yeah, Crypto Visions had some copyright stuff going on. I hope he does get his channel back, man. Do not mind you posting that, man. I support all the YouTubers out there, man. It is tough, streaming out here, especially in these bear markets. I mean, you call it a bear market, but bearish activity, what I think is a bull market. But yeah, it gets tough out here. All right, everybody got to stick together. Especially the way YouTube will just, do what they do on you. You got to stick together. Yep, that's it, dude. Have that safety line firmly secured, man. Pearl, I regret buying ADA when it was at 2. That thing hit 197, my friend. That was a double bottom right there. It might not be done, man. We'll have to see. Waiting on a confirmation. 21.51 would confirm to me that we're pulling out this rut. Consolidate, never hesitate, buy those dips, living for the rips. You see thorn, I see a rose, but today we get our Doge. Well said, Mr. Josh. That was well said, my friend. So, not too much action, dude. 2109. We're slowly climbing our way back up. 2110, I believe, is the 5-minute resistance if it's not already above it. Yep, we're breaking that right now on the 5-minute chart. And that's a very good sign right here. If we get an open and close, this 5-minute candle would finish above here and open up another one. That would signify a break to me. So, you see 2114. Quite possibly 2128 would be a next major level right here in the very microscopic short term I'm talking. 2115, we're pushing it right here. It's looking pretty healthy right now. I'll take it. You still got that RSI heated up, your 14-day moving average. As soon as you start to see that hook, that's a pretty good sign you're getting a lot of volume stepping in. That's why I pay very close attention to the RSI and to the 14-day moving average. You get the cross over the 50-day. You probably get the cross over the 200-day. It's probably already crossed on the 3-minute. And it's starting to try to stall out right here. But you're going to start getting this 50-day hooking up. They're so close touching right here. But it is barely over it on the 3-minute. Which would probably signify you're going to have some really, 30-minute intervals where you start to make some pretty decent moves. So quite possibly the next 2 hours would be pretty big for crypto to see if we can ultimately get that retest at 21.59 up top and 21.50. I'm sorry. That is the point. And I say it and say it and say it again because I want people to understand that is the point I'm looking at to possibly add some more Dogecoin. Yeah, sure, I could have added some in 1990, but I see if we get a pretty hard, solid break above 2150, I'd feel more comfortable knowing that, this is possibly getting into the real lower end of this dip, man, because remember 1690 was the low of this last big flash crash we had a couple months ago. And 19 cents, if that was the bottom, that's still a little higher low right there. It really is. And then what, we go a little bit higher, maybe get ADA 350 on this next run up. Maybe we get XRP 150, 160. Who knows? XRP lawsuit news comes up, could be looking at $3-4 XRP. This next run up from our bottom we're about to hit, if we didn't hit it already, is what I'm getting excited for, guys. And I think it's going to be very good for crypto. But yeah, dude, I saw Luna. Luna's getting smacked down, smacked around. I don't like it. Don't like seeing it at all, my friend. But what's up, Dreamer? Did someone call? I'm dreaming of green. All kinds of green. That's funny, man. Here we go, 2114. Dreamer shows up. We get a little green candle pumping in on the 5-minute candle. Yeah, I don't know why my phone doesn't update on the likes while I'm on the stream. Guys, if y'all could help me get it to 30, that would be amazing for these little 1-2 hour streams we do every night. Just dream. The power of positivity. What is that? Some off of some cartoon. The Care Bears? No, I can't think of it. 2112. So we might get a retest of 2108 right here and then continue bouncing. That's why it's so significant. You set your charts. I mean, you can set them to whatever you want. This is my preference: 14-day, 50-day, 200-day. Look at the RSI. I don't really mess too much with the MACD. Do pay attention to it, but for short-term trading, this is a perfect little setup right here, and it is really, really simple, guys. Really, really simple. So, still got one shot GT in the chat. Oh, I got you, Jonathan K. Gonna leave it on Dream until we hit 50K. All right, guys. So 21 cents, pretty major level. There ain't much going on tonight, guys. I'm gonna break out some news tomorrow night. We'll break out some articles and stuff. There ain't much happening right now. Let's hope we continue to trade to an extent where we can stay at this level, consolidate, look for another leg up. Crypto is just looking. It is what it is right now, guys. We can make it through this dip. I think we'll be sitting fine. So just hang in there tight, guys. If y'all need me, I will be in the Discord. Thank you very much for tuning in tonight. If y'all not part of the channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button for me. It greatly helps support the channel. If y'all can, hit that like button on the way out. I'll have some pretty good DD information for y'all tomorrow night, so I can't wait for it. Thank you for all the super chats, all the love that we got tonight, and thank you every night y'all been tuning in with me, rocking. Greatly appreciate it, guys. But I'll be out, and I'll see y'all tomorrow night. Very much appreciate it, and peace.